What are you destroying today, Bug?
A microwave.
A microwave? There we go. We got a microwave.
But first,
Oh, wait. Before you do it, I'm going to make some popcorn.
we're gonna make popcorn.
Here. You make it.
Okay. What is it? Mom, let me press the button.
Oh, you just need to hit the start button. Now. Alright. Be a few minutes until we get some popcorn.
Yeah.
Then
Let's
we can
go
get to work.
Bah. Hurry up. And then we're gonna do forks and spoons.
Didn't anybody tell you you're not supposed to put spoons or forks in the microwave? Nobody's told you that?
The TikTok did.
The TikTok did?
Yeah.
Alright, our popcorn is made.
Hot.
Alright. Well, let's see what happens.
Oh, shoot.
How long should we put it on for?
1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah. I'm super scared. I'm scared, Dad.
Ooh. I'm stepping back.
Me too. I'm stepping there with the popcorn because I want the popcorn to grow.
Can you hear that from over there?
Yeah, Dad. Rip. Dad, that here's like it's like ripping the forks.
Can you smell it too?
Yeah, it's burning.
Something's burning.
Yeah, that might be burning. I'm scared. Should I go back up to it?
No, stay away from it for right now.
I'm scared if that table starts on fire. What if it happens on fire?
Okay. No, bug.
Why?
Just because we don't know for sure. Let's just...
Go up to it slowly. It looks like the power.
Don't touch them, they're going to be hot.
Nothing happened.
Well, the microwave made a bunch of noises, but yeah. They're all still in there.
But yeah, they survived. But they're hot. How we get
Alright,
them?
well, we'll let them cool down and then we'll continue your blog, buddy.
And this
All
is
right.
hot.
We're going to take the glass plate out.
Yeah. And this doesn't turn. What are we gonna do next?
You tell me.
Should we put a seed in it? Popcorn seed?
You want to test to see if it still works after we put forks in it?
Yeah.
So we gotta go get another bag of popcorn?
We should get a seed. Popcorn seed.
One popcorn seed. Alright, you go get a popcorn seed and we'll...
I actually did it. Stop. Daddy actually did some damage.
Oh, it did do some burning back there, yeah?
Yeah, it did actually do some damage. I forgot. Sorry, Dad.
It's kind of weird, but not as bad as we thought.
Wait, there's some pain back there. I can see some pain back there. Ow, Buggy. Oh. Why won't we break the numbers? Just Buggy, unplug it. Unplug it because we can break the numbers. Oh, Dad, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I don't know.
Look, let me have the hammer. I think that doesn't work no more. Can we door opens?
It won't start with the door open.
Why?
Because it's to protect you.
I don't know what the look. It actually did. I did it. Hey, do you want me to show you how I did it? Wait, let me try something. It's what Emma painted. Yeah, we'll paint it together. Holy bricks! Holy crap, yeah. We should have did that. Did you guys see that? It just went, the glass went everywhere. The glass went everywhere.
It did, yeah.
Okay, you can say, Dad, look, we can see inside now. Dad. Holy crap!
Oh, there it goes.
What happened to it? What happened? Dad, look at this glass! Holy crap, Dad! How many times did we break this? We broke we did, Dad, look right here, it's been right here. This is going to the metal bin after. I bet the door doesn't work no more.
The door's over there.
Yeah, it doesn't work no more. It would not work. If I was the microwave, I would not break. That's just, oh shoot. Do you think that did something? We should try to hit the numbers. Yeah. Watch out. Lid. The
Buggy's
door's
right.
broken off. It's asking if you want some Coke. Dad, I think you want some Coke. Yeah.
Alright, one last one.
Ready?
See if I can hit the numbers.
Okay. Ready?
Please go.
Drink the Coke. Oh, shoot. That, I seen that. Why is there glass here?
The door was gone.
Door went off. We should have glass now. Dad, are we? What should we break now? What should we break? Like and subscribe.
There's our microwave with a buggy in the way. But we pretty much destroyed it. Guts falling out. Good. Alright, Bug.
We should go to the metal bin.
Okay, that's end your vlog though, buddy.
Like and subscribe.
Remember, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Remember to hit that like and subscribe.